Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 20L. Today I'm gonna run quick face unlock test. So, firstly, let's manage our fingerprint. As you can see, there is none. And also, the screen lock is pattern. So, let's lock our phone and check the face unlock. Again. Okay, that's pretty fast. Now we can change option. Face unlock when screens turn on. So now, to use our face unlock, we have to swipe screen up. So you can see this option is a bit slower, but the first one is very fast. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.